Hello everyone. In the previous session, we learned how demand management works in ServiceNow and how an idea can be converted into a demand. We covered the initial life cycle stages from idea creation through draft, submitted, screening, qualified, approved, and completed stage. In this session, we will continue from where we left and understand the complete demand management process. Let us continue with the demand that was created from the idea record. After the demand record is created, navigate to the demand list by searching for dmn_demand.list. This opens all the available demand records in the system. Now, locate and open the newly created demand record. The demand will be in the draft state. Now, we need to provide the necessary information required for submitting the demand for evaluation. Inside the demand record, enter the approved start date and approved end date. And complete any additional fields required by your organization, such as business justifications, planning informations, and other mandatory details. Once all required information has been entered, click the Submit Demand button. After submission, the demands move from the draft state to the submitted state. At this point, the demand is officially ready for evaluation and stakeholders can begin review the request. The next stage in the life cycle is screening. During the screening stage, the demand management team verifies whether the demand aligns with organizational objectives and contains sufficient information for further evaluation. Open the submitted demand record and populate the required screening information. Select the appropriate portfolio that best aligns with demand. The portfolio helps group related initiatives and strategic investments. Next, select the appropriate program under which the demand will be managed. Programs are used to organize related projects and initiatives that support a common business objective. You should also complete additional fields such as priority, department, business unit, any other organization specific fields required for evaluation. Once all required information is completed, click on the Screen button. When the demand is screened, ServiceNow automatically generates assessment activities and sends the surveys to the relevant stakeholders. The stakeholders review the demand and provide ratings based on factors such as business values, strategic alignments, feasibility, risk, and all-over benefit to the organization. After stakeholders complete their assessments, scroll down to the related list section of the demand record and open the assessment results related list. Here you can review all stakeholders' responses and evaluation scores. Based on the assessment results, the demand can move in one of two directions. If the demand satisfies all the qualification criteria, click the Qualify button. The demand then moves to the Qualify stage. During the qualified stage, organizations perform detailed analysis of business value, risk assessment, resource requirements, strategic alignment, prioritization. If the demand does not meet the required criteria, it can be returned to the draft state using the Reset to Draft option so the additional information or corrections can be provided before resubmission. Once all qualification requirements have been satisfied, the demand proceeds to the approval stage. During the approval, financial planning and execution readiness activities are completed. Enter the required budget information and financial estimates for the demand. Decision makers and approver reviews the business case, budget allocations, timelines, and resource requirements and overall implementation strategies. After all the reviews are completed and approval is granted, the demand moves to the approved state. At this stage, the demand has been successfully evaluated, financially approved, and is ready for execution. The final step is converting the approved demand into a project. Open the approved demand report and navigate to the related links section. Click on the Create Project Related link. ServiceNow automatically creates a new project record using the information available in the demand. This ensures all business context, planning details, and approval information are carried forward into project execution. Once the project is successfully created, the demand lifecycle is considered as completed and the demand moves to the completed state. This completes the end-to-end demand management lifecycle in ServiceNow, starting from an idea, progressing through demand evaluation, stakeholders assessment, qualification, approval, and final project creation. By following this process, organizations can ensure that business ideas are properly reviewed, prioritized, funded, and executed through a structured governance framework. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow learning content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.